Hi there and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. As you know, in the last couple of videos we made the login and registered page UI, plus we have integrated the MongoDB with our project. As both pages are functional, now we can work on authorization now as our authentication part is complete now. In this video we will make middleware to handle the authorization for the user. Let's get started now. As we are in the same project, close all the open files for now. In Routes folder, we will create a new file here which will start from _middleware and press enter. This file will run as a middleware like every route you visit or every API you call will be go through from here. First of all, we need two methods here. I'll directly import here. The first one is used to get cookies from headers, and the second one we'll use to decode the token and verify the token. Let's make a handler method here. This handler will be asynchronous, and this method will handle every request we made from here. We will use default types which Fresh provides to us. Let's create a variable here which holds our cookie key name, which will be auth as we added the name and login file. After that, we will use getCookies method provided by cookies library from request.header. Let's add a console here to check what we are getting in headers. Let me refresh the page in the background first. As you can see, we get the error because we did not pass the return method. In return, we use ctx.next method, which used to forward the request if everything is fine. Let me refresh the page again in the background. As you can see, we are getting the auth key and the value is our token here. Let's get that token from headers now. To get the token, I'll pass the index as token name here. Let's check the token in console. As you can see, we are getting the token now. Alright, here we use conditional rendering to handle our routes. If we got the token, we will verify the token first from our decode method and check decoded token data from console first. As you can see, we are getting our payload here, which we set while creating the token. Now, if the token is valid, I will make a list of non-protected routes. What I will do here is I will prevent user to go to these pages if he have the token. To do that, first above the main if statement, get the URL from new URL and pass the request.url in it. Now this URL variable holds the all path name which forwarded from user ends or user visited. If any of these path matched with the listed non-protected path, I will prevent user to go there, and instead I will redirect user to a certain path. As user have the token, so what I will do here is to send user to home page if he tries to visit on login page or registered page after login. Now in the else part, if user don't have the token in the cookies, I'll do the reverse process. I'll make a list of protected routes now. Currently I have only home page here, so I will pass only /here. But you guys need to pass all the paths here, even you can pass the dynamic paths too easily. Finally, so if user don't have the token and tries to visit the home page, I will redirect the user to login page. Alright, our middleware is set now. Let's test that out in the browser now and check everything is working as expected or not. As I'm in the browser now, and I was already logged in last time, so let me clear local storage and cookies first. Refresh the page now. Oops, look like a typo error. Let me fix it. I have fixed. Now visit the login page now. Let's visit the register page. I can go there too. Now let's visit the home page. As you can see, I'm unable to go to home page as I'm not logged in and redirecting to login page. Now if I logged in now with the test user which I created last time, as I'm at home page, if I go to login or register page, it will redirect me to home page, which is great. Now if you want to learn more about middlewares, go to fresh.js website, look for middleware and click on it. Here you can learn as much as you can from here. Hopefully, this will be the second last video of our series. In the next video, which will be a bonus video for you guys, I will share 2 tricks with you guys. That's it for now. If you guys like my series on Fresh.js framework, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel to support my work. I'll see you guys in the next video now. Till then, happy coding.